वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नंबर 202। Let us continue our this exercise. नागेन्द्रः योगसूत्रम् उच्चारयति कंठस्थीकरोति। कंठस्थीकरोति उच्चारयति these are kriyapadam. That which is not contestha is made contestha. Abhuta tadbhave chi pratyaya. Anyway, we have not seen it's tadita pratyaya. Tadita pratyaya. Ucharayati chardatu nich chari chare chare charayati utpurvaka. So Yoga Sutram Ucharayati Contesti Karoti. Then Shatranta would be Yoga Sutram.
Nagendrena.
No, yes, first let us do Shatranta.
Ucharayan Nagendra.
Charyate.
Ucharayan Nagendra. Yoga Sutram Ucharayan Nagendra Contesti Karoti. This is Shatranta Rupam. Shatranta, we are converting first Shatranta. We are doing Shatranta.
Okay.
Shatra is very important. So we elaborately we do many places you will see. Then Karmani we can do. Now we can do Karmani. Contesti Karoti becomes Contesti.
Contesti Kriyate.
Contesti
Yes,
Kriyate and Charyate.
Yes. Nagendra will become, sorry, Nagendra will become Nagendre. Nagendrena. Nagendrena Murdana Nakara, Dante Nakara.
Murtanjana.
Huh?
Rashabhyam. So Dantya.
Dante Nakara.
Dante Nakara.
Sorry,
Murtanjana.
Sorry. Murdanya. Murdanya.
Nagendrena. Ucharayan becomes Ucharayata.
Charyate.
Ucharyata, right? Shatranta. Charayan becomes Ucharayata. If it is separate one, then we can say Nagendrena Yoga Sutram Ucharyate. Contesti Kriyate. That's correct only. That's correct. In Karmani it is correct. But we are doing Karmani of the Shatranta. Ucharayata. Okay.
The Ucharaya is a verb, no, Guruji?
Ucharayan Shatranta. It's not a verb here. Ucharayati, I have converted that into Ucharan. Okay, here it is a verb. Yes. If we convert this into, okay, I'm converting Shatranta into Karmani. Okay, if we are converting this into Karmani, yes, what you said is correct only. That's what I said.
Okay.
Nagendraha Yoga Sutram Ucharyate, Kantashikriyate, it's correct. But we are converting that into a Shatranta Vakya, then converting that into a Karmani. That's what we are doing. Yeah, what you said is correct. But
Okay.
this is fine.
Yeah.
Dhirajaha Dhavati Griham Gachati. Shatranta would be simple. Dhavan.
Avan धीरजः गृहं
तावन्
गच्छति.
धीरजः गृहं गच्छति.
So, Dhirajaha, which is Karta. Dhavan Dhirajaha Griham Gachati. Now Karmani would be
धावता धीरजेन गृहं गम्यते.
Griham is Napumsakalinga, or what linga is that? Pullinga.
नपुंसकलिङ्ग.
Napumsakalinga. Griham Grihe Grihani. Dhiraja and Dhavata. We have a
धीरजेन.
sutra. Sorry, Dhiraja. Kshmita. Dhirajena and Dhavata. Okay, sorry. Dhirajena. We have a sutra. Kartakarnayos Tritiya. Karta and Karma. Sorry, Karta and Karna will be in Tritiya Vibhakti when it is not Abhigita. That is in Karmani Prayoga. Right, Tritiya Vibhakti. Kapilaha Ishwaram Smarati. Yesterday in other class, Karaka class, we discussed all these things elaborately. Anyway, that is, we'll come to that later. Kapilaha Ishwaram Smarati. First Shatranta, then we can do Karmani. Pranayamam Karoti. Ishwaram Smaran. Smarati.
स्मरन् कपिलः.
Pranayamam Karoti. Now this will Karmani would be Karoti. That is a Mukhya Kriya. Kriyate.
क्रियते.
Then Pranayama will become Pranayamaha. What is Ya? Pranayamaha. Prana plus A plus
आयाम.
M plus and Ayamaha. But we have a Prataya. Ghai Prataya. Yam becomes Yama. Ayamaha. Vyayamaha is exercise. Pranayamaha. Pranasya Ayamaha. Pranayamaha. Kena kriyate Kapilena. Kidrisha Kapilena. That's why you have to ask question. Smarata Kapilena. Kam Smarata. Ishwaram Smarata. Kapilena. Pranayamaha kriyate. Similarly, Shikshika. Krishna Palake Likati Patayati. Krishna Palake. What? Likata. Likati is that. No, it will become
लिखन्ति.
Likanti or Likati also valid because fourth conjugation. This is where we need to know Shatranta. Likati or Krishna Palake. Krishna. What is Krishna Palaka? What compound? Krishnasya Palakam.
कृष्ण च असौ फलकं. कृष्णं च.
Sorry?
कृष्णं च असौ फलकं.
Yes, you can say. Not Krishnasya Palakam.
कृष्णं.
Krishnasya Palakam, the board of Krishna.
Hmm.
Krishnaha Tat Palakam. Krishna Palakam. The board which is black in color. Blackboard. Likanti, Krishna Palake, Adigarana. Likanti or Likati, Shikshika, Patayati. Karmani would be Patayati. Dhatu is Pati. Nijanta.
पाठ्यते.
Patyate.
पाठ्यते.
So Pati plus Yak, that
Shikshikaya.
Ni will go away. Shikshikaya. Likati become
लिख्यते.
Likatya. Then
Likatya.
Likantya. Krishna Palake, Likantya, Atava Likatya. Ligdhatu. Fourth, sixth conjugation. That way conjugation is important to know. Okay. Then Lalita Devam Smarati Shlokam Ucharayati. Devam, you put like that karma. Devam Smaran. Lalita Shlokam ucharayati. Now we convert this into karmani. It would be ucharayati becomes chari dhatu. Chari. Yak plus te.
Charyate.
Ucharayati.
Charyate.
Ucharayati. What ucharayate?
Shloka.
Slokah.
Lokaha. Lokaha is pullinga. By whom? Taya.
Lalitaya.
Lalitaya.
Then Devam Smriti
Deva.
also long. Devam Smrati. Okay, sorry.
Mm.
Didn't write
Smarant.
properly.
Mm.
Devam Smrati Lalita. Smrati is Spruda, the first conjugation. Therefore Smaranti, not Smrati also.
Mm.
First conjugation. Then only becomes Smara. Otherwise, how it becomes Smara? Guna, how it will happen? Devam Smaranti Lalita. Okay, now it becomes Devam Smarantya Lalitaya.
Smrantya Lalitaya.
Shlokaha Ucharyate. Balika
Dev.
Kridati Adaha Patati.
Devam
Yes.
will not become Devaha.
How will it become Devaha? The same thing we should ask for other things also. Then Krishna Palike is will it change? These are the karakas associated with the kriya which is in the verbal
Okay.
derivative
Yeah.
forms.
Only the Shlokam will change. Yeah.
That's Smaranti, Smridhatu, and Devam has Sambandha. Deva has no Sambandha with the Shlok, with Ucharanam, right? That will not change. Karakas to the verbal derivatives, that is Shatranta, that will remain as it is. Okay. Balika Kridati Adaha Padati. Then
Kridanti Balika.
Kridanti, first conjugation. Balika Adaha Padati. Karmani would be Patadat.
Patyate.
Adaha Patyate. Adaha is Abhiya. You don't make it anything. Adaha Patyate. Kaya
Balikaya.
Kidrishi Balikaya.
Kridantya.
Kridantya Balikaya Adaha Patyate. Vimanam Gacchati Shabdam Karoti. Vimanam.
Gachan Vimanam
Yes,
Shabdam.
this is
Vimanam Shabdam.
Atra Napumsakalinga Shabdaha asti. Shabdam Karoti, Vimanam Shabdam Karoti, then Gacchati. What? Gachat.
Gachat.
Gachat. Gacchati. Gachanti. Gachat. Napumsakalinge. Napumsakalinge. Takaranta Shabdaha. Jagat Shabdaha. Jagat. Jagati. Jaganti iti rupam. Gamdhatu. Gamdhatu, first conjugation. Gachat. Bhadigana vartate. Gachat. Gachanti. Sorry. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. That is, yes, Stample Shabda. But this is Shatranta. So 1, 2 also will get Num. Achir Nadyor Num. That is a sutra. Achir Nadyor Num. Chi. That is there for 1, 2 and 2, 2. Right? Remember. E is there for is Adesha in the place of Au and out. And for just and shas, E is Adesha. That is why Gachanti. So Gachata, Gachanti, Gachanti. Tirupam. Therefore, Gachat, only one. Suppose if it is Bhagavachanam or Dvivachanam, then okay, first Dvivachanam. It will be two Vimanas.
Gachanti Vimane.
Yes. Yeah, Gachati, then Gachata, Gachanti, it will become Vimane, then Shabdam, Kurutaha. If it is many Vimana.
Gachanti Vimanani Shabdam Kuruvanti.
Gachanti, Vimanani, Shabdam, Kuruvanti. It will be like this. Gachata, Gachanti. Understand? This is what you can see the chart also. Now, karmani prayoge, this would become anything you can take. So that kriyate, karoti, kriyate. Tato is kru. Kru plus yak plus te, then will be replaced by ri, ya, te. Shabdaha kriyate. Kena
Vimanena.
Vimanenena.
Ki drishena
Gacchata.
vimanena. Gacchata vimanena. Shabdaha kriyate. Yajanam brahmati. Kampate. Then it become Yajanam fan. So
Shaman.
Napumsakalinga. Now you will see Napumsakalinga.
Brahmat Vajanam.
Brahmat Vajanam Kampate. Karmani would be Kampate.
Vyajanena Kampyate.
Yes. These are
Brahmata
Akarmaka dhatu.
Vyajanena Kampyate.
Brahmata Vijanena Kampyate. Kampadatu is Akarmaka dhatu. Aham davantam bhalakam ahvayami. A plus hu dhatu. Okay. Aham, already it is Shatranta only, right? What is that do? Just to Karmani alone. Ahvayami will it become?
Maya
Balakaha
Ahvayati.
ahuyate. Yes, very good. Ahuyate. By whom? Maya.
Maya.
Kidrishaha
Maya.
balaka.
Dhavan Balaka.
Yes.
Davantaha.
Not Davantaha. Why Davantaha? Balakaha is what is called Davan
Okay.
Balakaha, right? Should go in the
Okay.
same. Okay. Balan Dhavataha. Right? Okay. Balan Dhavakaha. Ahuyate. Is it clear? Understand, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Guruji.
Very good. Okay. Just a minute. Today's Sanskrit class, your timing is changed.
Oh,
A message has come.
it got postponed or preponed, Guruji.
The Swamini Amma has come, so she will take class in the morning. Another thing. Anyway, so I have my class, afternoon class, 1:30 online class. I told Swamiji, my class will be after. I can have only after my online class. You can decide issues. Otherwise, people will take me for granted. I have to tell certain things very clearly.
Yes.
If you are loose, then people will just sit on your head and look. You have to be very firm on certain things. We don't want to
Yes.
be, but what to do? So situation sometimes calls for to be very firm. Anyway, ashram is ashram. Ashram. Ashrama. Small ashrama is easy to manage. Grasta ashrama or whatever ashrama is ashrama. Asamantat shramaha only. It's ashramam only for the other people. For people who live, it is ashramantat shramaha only. Asamantat shramaha. Lot of things will be there. Anyway, fine.
What is
Mala,
Asamanta?
completely asamanta.
Okay.
Shramaha only, difficulty only.
Shramana, I got.
Mala likantim balikam prashamsati. Okay. Likantim balikam already is there. Karmani would be prashams. Prashamsyate.
प्रशंस्यते
Shamsyate.
Yeah. Oh, balika. Karta. No, sorry. Karma. Karma become Pratama Vibhakti. And likanti, right? Or likati also we can say.
Hmm.
That another possibility is likati by kaya.
Malaya
Malaya. Mala likanti or likati balika prashamsyate. Shankaranji also had difficult time, I heard, with some people, some students here. Anyway.
Yes, Guruji, obviously.
It will be there, and it's not easy, huh?
Yes.
Some difficult students you have to handle. But anyway, I don't have any such people. As good people, all good students. No problem here. I give complete freedom. I tell them, if you want a class, come. If you don't want a class, come. It's fine, no problem for me. If you want to come and sleep in the class, okay, it's your choice. I will do my job. My job is to blow the conch. I will keep blowing the conch. Whoever wants to listen, they will listen. Simple. You listen, you get benefited. If you don't listen, it's okay, fine. You are spending your time, you are wasting your time, you are waste. What is your problem? What I have to do? But those who are committed, interested, they will learn. That's what I do. I made very clear, because I am not here to make the students learn. That is not my job also. Had I been a coordinator or something here, that my job will be different. I will be strict. But I'm not here. I'm just here to teach.
Good one,
I
Guruji.
play a different role here. Had I been
Swamiji used to
Amikati and
teach,
playing the role of a coordinator, my things will be difficult. I will make all the students attend the class mandatorily, no choice, nothing. Then that will be different. But here I'm not that for purpose, so it's okay. I have my freedom. I have my free time. I don't want to spoil my head. Okay.
Swamiji used to say, my job is to teach, not to tell.
Exactly. People are matured enough. All these things need not be told. If people come and they while away the time, it is your choice. You have come here to learn, learn. If you don't want to learn, waste your time, move here and there. Vedanta will wait for you. Don't worry. So many janmas are there. Vedanta will wait. No urgency. What will you do with getting moksha now? Right? No problem. अगले जन्म में मिलेगा नहीं तो अगले जन्म में बहुत सारे जन्म आता है ना मिलेगा क्यों नहीं मिलेगा वेट करना what is there right your problem you decide you are the decider our job is to blow the conch we'll keep blowing that's it okay tum chalat vyajanam mas prushatu okay this is also shatranta is there karmani only we will do ma Sprishatu, Sprishyatam, right? Remember?
Prishyatam.
Yatam, yeah. Yatam, Yetam, Antam, sorry. Sprishyatam.
Prishyatam.
Sprishyatam, Sprishyatam, Sprishyantam. Ma will be Ma only. What? Vyajanam. Vyajanam is Napumsakalinga, Vyajanam, Karma. Now it is Pratama Vibhakti. And Vyajanam, Chalat also, Chalat only. This alone will become Vaya. Here it is karma. Here also karma only. Kartari karmatva dvitiya vibhakti. Karmani pratama, karmani it is abhigitatva. Okay, you should say like that. Kartari anabhigitatva dvitiya vibhakti. Karmani abhigitatva pratama vibhakti. Understand? Abhigita, anabhigita, and all we saw. Kartari, what is abhigitam? Kriya padena. Karta is abhigitam. Therefore, karta pratama vibhakti. Karma dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, karma is anabhigitam. Anabhigitatvat kartari karmanaha dvitiya vibhakti. Abhigitatvat karmanaha pratama vibhakti. Understand? Okay. So, tvaya chalat vyajanam mas prishyatam. Then, Tvam kadata balakena saha sambhashanam ma kuru. Okay. Again, the kadata already is there. Ma kuru dhanajana yobana garvam harate nimeshat kalasya.
Kriyatam.
Ma kuru will become ma, yes. Ma kriyatam. Lot plakara. Tvam will become, make change immediately. Tvaya. Other things we'll do. Saha sambhashanam.
Same.
Sambhashanam is karma. Same. That is 1 now. Balakena saha. That will become
Same.
nothing. That is saha tritiya.
Same.
Same. This is saha tritiya. That will never change. Please note. Upapada vibhakti. Karaka vibhakti only will change. This is upapada vibhakti. Saha tritiya. Then saha yukte apradane. Here balakena saha is it karta? No. Tvam is a karta. Is it already tritiya? Therefore karmani, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Right? Karata balakena toya sambhashanam. Sambhashanam is what is changes. Here it is karma. I mean, here it both are karma only. Here it is Vidya, here it is Pratama. That's the only thing. Vidyalayam gacchantya chatraya saha ahamapi gacchami. So, ahamapi gacchami. Karmani would be
Api gamyate.
Gamyate.
gamyate. Who is a karta?
Maya.
Aham will
Maya.
become tritiya. And this will become same thing. Nothing will change.
Same.
Vidyalayam is the object for this gamana kriya. And this saha tritiya. This will not change. Don't never change. Gacchantya chatraya. Strilinga it is. Maya api gamyate. Bhavati patati chatraya chaturtiya palam dadatu sampradana. Sampradana, what is the karma here? Karma goes to whom? That is sampradana. Karmanayam avipreti.
Chatra.
Chatra. That's why chatra is sampradana. Palam, the karma goes to whom? Chatra. That's sampradana. Dadatu becomes
Diyatam.
diyata. Bhavati becomes
Bhavati sambodhana, no?
not sambodhana. Bhavati, bhavatya, bhavatya. Pratama. Nadi, nadyo, nadyaha. You give the chatra, the reading boy, the fruit. Therefore, bhavatya, nadi shabdavat.
Bhavatya.
By you, bhavatya diyatam. What? Jalam.
Jalam.
Jalam is the karma. Now karmani prayoga 1 To whom? Patate chatraya. To the boy who is reading. Right? Mata pachantyai mahilayai dhanyani dadati. You can see all vibhaktis are coming now, right? Before also came, but now Shatran, Shatra Pratyaya. Dadati becomes
Diyate.
Diyate. Latter. What? Diyante. Now, Dhanyani Purvam, it was karma.
Dhanya.
Here also karma only. Purvam is a karma. Kartari Dvitiya. Now Pratama. Dhanyani Diyante. Right? Kaya.
Diyante.
Matra. To whom? Pachante Mahilahe. That will not
Mahilaya.
change. Sainikaha Davataha Ashvat Patati. What vibhakti that Davataha falls from the moving horse.
Panchami.
Apadanat. Who is moving? That Sainika. That from one move, that is Apadana. Dhruvam apaye apadanam. Right? That is why Dhruvam is a very beautiful word. Dhruvam. This Jagat moves away from the Brahma. That is Karya. So Dhruvam is Brahma. Somebody used to say that, referring to that sutra. Dhruvam Brahma iti. So fine. Now we are Ashwat Patati Kaha.
Sainika.
Patyati.
Sainikena patyate.
Patyate. Davataha Ashwat only. That will not change. Then He Putra Atra Agachantyaha Pala Vikretyaha Amrani Krinatu. He Putra Sambodhana. Krinatu. Already, okay. What is the meaning? Agachantyaha Pala Vikretyaha. What is the Pradipadikam?
The fruit seller. Vikretru. Vikretru.
Vikretru cannot be not Pullinga. Vikretru Pullinga. Convert into Strilinga by adding ni pratyaya. Then what happens? R plus E. What's Sandhi?
Vikretri.
Repa then E. Vikretri, Vikretryo, Vikretriyaha. Sandhi, just Yan Sandhi. Then Agachantyaha, what is Bhakti? Ramayaha, where is
Pancham.
Ramayaha? Panchami.
Panchami.
Panchami vibhakti. Amrani Kreenant. E putra atra agacchantyaha palavikritayaha amrani. Then Karmani would be Kriyantam. Right?
Kriyantam.
Amrani
Kriyantam.
Bagu. Sorry? By Kreenantam.
It is
Kriniyanta.
What is the
Kreenatu.
dhatu, Guruji?
Dhatu is Kri Dhatu. Kriyadigana first conjugation, first Dhatu. Ninth conjugation, first Dhatu.
Okay.
Then what will come?
Yeah, correct.
Shna will not come. How Shna will come, right? So Kriyantam only. Kriyatam, Kriyetam, Kriyantam.
Kriyantam.
Shna will come only in Kartari. Etat pustakam tatra Kridantyaha Balikayaha. Asti, what vibhakti is that Shatrantaya?
Kridantyaha balikayaha.
Ka vibhakti. This book belongs to that girl who plays there, right? Shashti, what else could be? Huh?
Shashti.
Don't confuse with Panchami. Book is book and Balika have got Sambandha. Sambandha Shashti it is. Okay. Then Karmani is will be funny anyway. The Etat Pustakam, Etena, Pustakena. You will not say all those things, just I'm doing. Okay, Bhuyate. Okay. Dhavatsu Balakeshu. This is Nirdharana
Saptami.
Saptami. Among the running boys or jumping boys, Rama is the first one. Pratamaha Asti. Okay. Ramena Pratamena Bhuyate. If you want to make it Karmani. Otherwise, what we'll do? You need to understand the sentence. It is Nirdharana Saptami. It's very important, Nirdharana. Dhavatsu Balakeshu. Uparishtat patantyam petikayam nuttanavattrani santi. Uparishtat patantyam means what? Uparishtat is
Above.
Uparishtaha. Above. Patantyam petikayam from the what vibhakti? Petikayam patantyam in the box. The box which falls from above. In that new
There are new clothes.
Clothes are there. Patantyam petikayam ka vibhakti saptami, right? Yes or no? Samayam. Okay. Nuttana vastrani bhuyante, you can say. That's it. Okay. It's simple. That is, you need to understand the what vibhakti. That is why examples are given. Nothing is there. Karmani is only just for this. No other thing to be done. The Karmani we do. Srinivasa Ghayati, Srinivasa Nityati. Then this is simple. Okay. Simple we know. You can do little more also. Karmani also you can do. Nityate, Nityati.
Srinivasena nrityate.
Yes. Gayata, Srinivasena Nityate. Nrityadatu. Yep. Already it is in fourth conjugation. Balakaha katam shrunoti. Then Balakaha asati. Simple.
Katham shrunvan balakaha hasati.
Yeah. Shrunvan balakaha asati. Balakaha asati is karmani. Asdatu is karmaka dhatu. Karmani would be katam shrunvata.
Balakena hasyate.
Asyate. Kshiram Shishuhu Kshiram Pibati Asati. Then
Kshiram piban shishuhu.
Piban Kshiram
yes.
Shishuhu.
Kshiram Piban. Then Shishuhu Asati, right? Karmani would be
Kshiram pibata shishu.
Shishu. Sabda should be Shishuna. Arina. Dream also you should be able to say what is the form of the words. Hari Shabda, Rama Shabda, all are completely in your memory. Keep saying that here also. One Shabda, Rama Shabda memorizing itself, they are not able to do it. Vastuni, Apanika, Vastuni Dattaman, Dhanam Prishtaman. Okay. Now, what will you do? Dattavan.
Adadat.
Apanikah Vastuni Dattavan. Dhanam Prishtaman. Dattavan, we will convert that into a participle. Vastuni as a qualifier to Apanika. Then we can say Dhanam Prishtavan. Dattavan will become
Dadan Apanikah.
Dadan, Dadat. Not the, what will happen to the Dadatu? Dadatu, which is Pullinga. Pullinga, it will become Pullinga, what will happen? Dadat, which is what? Abhyasta. Therefore, Dadatu only, no num business, right? Remember, that's why you given it.
When they get Dattavan, so we make it Lung Lakara. Adatat.
But we can make it, but it's, what is here we are doing Shatra, right? That's why making it a Shatranta. Vastuni Dadat Apanikaha Dhanam Prishtavan. So Dadat is very important again. That is Pullinga, Dakarantaha, Dadat Shabdaha. Will num come? No. Abhyasta. That's why. The sound dhatus of the second conjugation and third conjugation, no, num, dadat, dadato, dadataha, like that forms will be, right? We have seen. Chatraha, grantham, here also same thing we will do. Even though it is past participle, we are just taking in this context, converting that into a present. Granthan patitavantaha, chatraha. Chatraha is qualified by patitavantaha. Now Shatranta will be what? Yes. Yes. Patantaha jnanam sampaditavantaha. That's the idea here. Fine. Balakaha kridanti. Then kolahalam kurvanti. This is okay. Kridan.
क्रीडन्तः
Balakaha kim kurvanti. Kolahalam kurvanti. Oh, okay. The previous one, Karmani, we have not done. Karmani also we can do. Interesting, huh? What will be Karmani for Vastuni Dadat Apanikaha? Please try. Dhanam Prishtavan will become? Karta is Apanika. Dhanam is Karma. Prishtam. Apanikena. Therefore, Dadat become? Dadata, yes. Similarly, this also. Sampaditavanta, Sampurvaka, Pad plus Nich plus all Nijanta we have seen. State Dhatu, that's why Itakama has come. Sam plus Pad plus Nich plus Tavatu. Itakama comes, therefore Sampaditavantaha. Now Jnanam. Sampaditam. Kaihi. Yes. And this is Patat.
Bhihi.
Right? Sampaditam. Tadvat atrapi. Kridantaha balakaha kolahalam kurvanti. Becomes kolahalaha we can say. Kriyate. Kolahalaha kriyate. So by kaihi.
Balakaihi.
Idrishaihi tai balakaihi. Kridatbihi. Yoginaha namaskaram kurvanti mantran vadanti. So therefore becomes Surya namaskaram. Okay, sorry. Surya namaskaram.
Kurvan yoginaha.
Kurvan, yes. Yoginaha is Bhagavachanam, sorry, not Kurvan.
Oh, or yogin.
Yogi, yoginau, yoginah. Therefore,
Kurvantah.
yes,
Kurvanti.
yoginah mantran vadanti, right?
Yoginah.
Karmani would be mantran vadanti. What will be karmani? Mantraha, right? And vadanti will become anyone. Samprasaranam will happen. Therefore, ud plus yak plus udyante.
Udyanti.
Samprasaranam makara will become u. Okay. Then after that, samprasarana cha sandhi also will apply. Udyante because plural. Yoginaha what vibhakti? Pratama bhagavacham. That will become. Tell me what is that?
Tritiya.
What is the
Tritiya.
tritiya?
Yogin. Yogin.
Huh? Karin shabda. Karino, karinaha. Karinam, karino, karinaha. Then karina, karibhyam. Exactly. Karibihi. Don't forget. And kurvadbihi. Yogaha asya asti iti yogin. Nakaranta shabda. Not like Rajan. Yogin is in anta, Rajan is ananta. There's a difference between among the ananta also. Atman and Charman, that is all an, but an is preceded by what?
Sayuk.
Exactly. Conjunct. That is why when it is preceded by conjunct, when it is preceded by non-conjunct, Rajan like that, Rajnyaha becomes,
Akara drops.
yes, Rajan, the Jakara A will be dropped. That is for non-conjunct. Okay. Whereas an Atma doesn't like that. Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmano, Atmanaha, Atmana, right? Whereas Rajan is Rajnya. Okay, we'll see that later. Adhyapika likati chatran bodhayati. So here it becomes, yes, likanti or likati. Both are okay. Both conjugation. Huh? Sorry, sixth conjugation. Jodadi. Then chatran bodhayati. What is dhatu bodhayati? Causative, yes. Buddhadhatu is fourth conjugation. Causative. Bodhayati. Karmani would be Pratikriya padam. Bodhyate, yes. By whom? By who? Who were taught? Chatraha, okay. Yes. Chatraha bodhyate. Adhyapikaya. Kidrishi adhyapikaya. Yes. Likantya atava likantya, right? Then Mata pakam karoti, gayati. Pakam, then kurvati or kurvanti? Kurvati or kurvanti come. What will children correct? Will num come? No. 1, 4, 6, 10 alone. And 6 is optional. For other, no. Therefore, kurvati only. Table. Keep the table. See the table later. Pakam kurvati maya gayati. Karmani would be gayati becomes. Yeah, exactly. Gai become ga become gi, giyate. Akaranta dhatunam ikaradesha bhavati. Kaya matra. And kurvati becomes kurvatya.
Yeah.
Bhakta shlokam vadati. Okay, bhakta only ekavachanam, not bhaktaha. Srilingam maybe. Then bhakta shlokam vadati. Vadati will become now.
Vadanti.
Bhakta.
Yes. Vadanti bhakta devam namaskar. Vadadatu, I think first conjugation. Therefore, vadanti only. Karmani would be shlokam devam
Vadantya
namaskriyate. Devaha namaskriyate. Deva is worshipped by whom?
Bhaktaya.
Exactly.
Bhaktaya
And this becomes vadantya.
Vadantya.
विद्यार्थिन्यः योगसूत्रं स्मरन्ति व्याख्यां वदन्ति. विद्यार्थिन्यः what linga?
Vidyarthinyah.
Strilinga.
Srilinga it is.
Vidyarthini.
Vidyarthin is pullinga. Vidyarthin becomes vidyarthini by adding ni pratyaya vidyarthini. Then like nadi shabda. Nadi nadyo nadyaha vidyarthini. Vidyarthinyo vidyarthinyaha. Now smaranti will become first conjugation. What? Smarantyaha.
Smarantyah.
Smaranti, smarantyo, smarantyaha. Vidyarthinyaha vyakyam vadanti. Karmani would be Yoga Sutram. So Vyakyam is Vyakya. This is Napum Srilinga. Okay. Vyakya
Udyate.
Udyate. By whom? That's what you tell.
Vidyarthin.
Vidyarthini.
Yes.
Ah.
It's very good. Vidyarthini is a Shabda. Vidyarthini bihi. Right? Vidyarthini is a Shabda. Ikaranta. Marantyaha will become
Smaranti bhi.
Maranti bihi vidyarthini bihi vyakya udyate. Nartakyaha. Geetam shunvanti nirtyanti. Simple. Nartaki, nartakyo, nartakya. I think Srilinga words are coming now. What will happen? Shunvanti. First conjugation. Huh?
Shunvantyah.
Shunvan, shunvantau.
Shunvantya.
Sorry, shunvati, shunvatyo, shun.
Shunvatyo. Shunvat.
Will num come or not? That's the question. Yeah, it's interesting.
Panchami.
This is not Panchami. Why Panchami here? Nartaki, nartakyo, nartakyaha. Qualifying the karta. Now, Shrudhatu, first conjugation.
No. Oh, but it takes fifth conjugation.
Fifth it takes.
Exactly, yes.
So num na bhavati.
Exactly. Num will not come. Therefore, Pratipadikam Shunvati,
Shunvatyaha.
then Shunvatyaha only. Oh, that's what you said, 5. Okay. Karmani would be?
Nartaki bihi nrutyate.
Yes. Nartaki bihi, bihi, nrityate.
Shunvat bihi.
Shunvati bihi, right? Mitram agacchati namati. Napumsakalinga.
Agachat mitram.
Yes. Namati. Agachat. Then Karmani would be?
Namyate. Mitrena namyate.
Namyate. Mitrena. Agachat become? Agachata. Jalam pravahati krishi bhumim sinchati. Farmland, right? So, when what will happen? Jalam is the karta, krishi bhumi karma, sinchati. Pravahati becomes? Pravahata jalam krishi bhumim sinchati. Karmani would be?
Jalena sinchyate.
Krishi bhumihi jalena pravahata jalena sinchati. Dhatu is? Actually dhatu is shicha. Num comes because this is sutram is there. That is in sound one section. By that num comes for shich dhatu, sinchati. Otherwise, why num there? Dhatu is shich dhatu. Shit will become shakara. Shakara, becomes sakara. That we know. Right? Sich dhatu. Udadigana. Huh? In kartari prayoga, sinchati num comes. Do you have the 7-1 section on Sutram? She muchadina. It's muchadigana. Antargana and Udadigana. So when she follows, she is the Ganavikarana. Sha follows. Now, karmani would be, it is sich only. Sich. Plus sichyate. Sinchati, sichyate. Please note. Num, because this is antargana, this belongs to muchadi antargana of tudadigana. When the pratyaya shaka sha follows, num will come as a rule. Therefore, sinchati. Karmani, there is no sha, therefore there is no num. Vahanani dhumam nissarayanti. Okay. Nissarayanti. Nirpurvaka. Srudhatu. Nich. Causative. Okay. Sari, sare, saraya, sarayanti. Nissarayanti. Emits. Parisaram kalushi karoti. That which is not kalusha is made kalusha. Pollutes. Kalushi kurvanti. Vahanani parisaram. Parisara is ambience, supposedly.
Surroundings.
Kalushi kurvanti. So karmani would be okay. First, just do. Vahanani parisaram kalushi kurvanti. And nissarayanti will become what? Nissarayanti only. Nissarayat. Nissarayanti. So here it is Shatranta. Like gacchata, gachanti. Same way. Now the next one, karmani would be kalushi kriyate. What? Parisaraha. By vahanaihi, palaihi. And this becomes what? Nissarayadbihi. Dhumam nissarayadbihi vahanaihi parisaraha kalushi kriyate. Yuvakaha jalan piban. Okay. Yatrikaha. You need to form a sentence, okay? You need to form Yuvakaha jalan pibam yatrikaha kushalam prachati. First you have to form a sentence, then we can do karmani and all. Tell me.
Yuvakaha kushalam
prachati.
So Yuvakaha is kushalam prachati. That's the main sentence. Huh? Yuvaka asked. Whom did he ask? Jalam piban yatrika. Jalan piban yatrika, that is Pratama Bhakti. How do you attend?
Dvitiya we can make, no, Guruji?
Exactly.
Dvikarmaka.
Yes, Dvikarmaka dhatu. Jalan pibantam, that's why not given. Yatrikam. Jalan pibantam yatrikam yuvakaha kushalam prachati. Prachdhatu can take to karma. Okay, Dvikarmaka, that's why given like this. Jalan pibantam yatrikam. Yatrika, the traveler who drinks water. Yuvaka asks his welfare. So yatrikam also karma for Yuvaka. Kushalam also karma. That's very interesting. Now, karmani prayer, do you know? I think I have not taught you. Dvikarmaka, did I teach you?
No.
I think in the other class, Guruji.
Not here, right? Okay. We need to learn about Vikarmaka. Okay, fine. We'll see. Now already it's a 7:50. Maybe next class you remind me. Vikarmaka Dhatu I'll teach you. No, karmani prayoga. That's why we need to know the vikarmaka dhatu. What will take karma, what will not take. Huh? You tell Mahita, you have seen no that class. Which will take? One is pradhana karma, other one is gauna karma. Which is pradhana karma, which is gauna karma?
Um, Kushalam is pradhana karma.
Yes.
So that will take dvitiya. Gauna
Pradhana
will take
karma,
prathama.
yes. So gauna will take prathama. Which is gauna here? Yatrika. So jalam piban yatrikaha yuvakena kushalam
Prichyate.
This is a form. Others may not understand what is this. They will see because this is pradhana karma. Pradhana karma dugyadinam gaunam pratama. Okay, that's a rule. That's a rule. This is gauna karma yatrika. Therefore, that will be in pratama vibhakti and pradhana will be dvitiya. Pradhana karma will be dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, dvitiya. This is dvitiya. Okay, I will write a number also. Otherwise, confusion. This is dvitiya vibhakti. Gauna karma is yatrika. We'll see. We'll talk about that in the class later. Next class, probably. Okay, we'll see that. 1 minute. What happened to my this file? I am not able to see. Sorry, 1 minute. Do you know how these things have disappeared? Buttons, icons. You see my screen? Hello?
Yes, Guruji.
I don't know something I did.
We can
Buttons.
see your screen.
Yeah, how to bring about the buttons? All the buttons. You know?
1 second.
Show above the ribbon. No.
Show the above.
Show below the ribbon. Or what about the other? Button.
1 second. Go to home, Guruji.
Huh?
Home. No,
What?
that on the tab.
Oh,
Yeah.
but it goes away. Why? Okay, I think it has come now.
Yeah.
Sorry. So, this is Pradhana karma will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, please note. We'll see, discuss in the next class. It will be little confusing, but it's interesting only. This is Gauna karma. Gauna karma will be in Prathama Vibhakti. We'll talk about that later. Prachdhatu only the Vikarmaka dhatu now we are seeing. It's interesting to note. Okay. We'll see what it is next class. You remind me next class, in the beginning itself, we'll talk about Vikarmaka dhatu. Okay, Janaha. Now here, Janaha nrityantam mayuraha drishtva santushyati. Then form a sentence.
Janaha Mayuram. 1 second.
Janaha.
Mayuran.
Janaha santushyanti, right? Bhagavachanam. Right? What?
Mayuran
Nrityan, nrityan tam or nrityantana. I mean, sorry. Nrityataha, right? Nrityan, nrityanto, nrityantaha, nrityantam, nrityanto, nrityataha. Nrityataha, Mayuran, Drishtva. This is sentence. Now we can do Karmani. Be Sam Purvaka Tush plus Yak plus Te Santushyate Janaihi. This is Bhabe Priya. Mayuran, Nitita Mayuran Drishtva, right?
Santushyan. Okay.
No.
Yeah, correct.
Karma not done. And happy cannot have karma. Aham Sutram Patanti Gauri Ahvayami. So you have to make Aham Ahvayami. Then
Sutram patanti.
patantim gaurim. That's what here you need to do. Karmani would be
Maya Avayate.
yes.
Gaurya.
Ahu.
Pachantya Gaurya.
Yeah. Maya gaurihi, right? And patantya. Karma, right?
Oh.
Aham.
Yeah, Gauri.
Gauri, not Gauri also. Gauri. Then patan.
Patanti. Patanti.
Pachanti Gauri.
Sutram patanti gauri maya ahuyat.
Ayute.
Yuvati yogasanam. Okay, I think that will stop. Now, what is it? Form a sentence. Yuvati yogasanam kurvatyaha balikaha drishtva santushta. So, Yuvati
Santushta.
Tushdatu akarmaka dhatu. Therefore, santushtavati also you can mean santushtavati you can say or santushta also you can say. That's choice is there. Akarmaka dhatu ka pratyaya can denote karta also. Okay. Now you have to change balikaha to what?
Object.
Balika, balike, balikaha, balikam, balike, balikaha. This is now it's same. Kurvati, kurvatyo, kurvatyaha, kurvatim, kurvatyo, kurvatihi. Yogasanam kurvatihi, balikaha, drishtva, yuvati, santushta. Do you understand? Yes or no? Balika is Rama Shabda, Akarana Shabda. Therefore, karma for Drishdhatu, it will be 2, 3. And Kurvati is Adi Shabdavata. Adihi, 2, 3. Kurvatihi, right? Okay, now Karmani would be what? Bhavi Prayoga. It would be Yogasanam Kurvatihi Balikaha Drishtva. This will not change because Drishtva is the having seen. Yuvati will become Vatya.
Yuvatya.
Then Santushta will become, will be there or same? Remove. Change. What will happen? Bhave Prayoga. Then Ta Pratyaya will be Napumsaka Ekavachanam. Remember. Not Santushta. Yuvatya Santushtam. That's it. It's good exercise. Students. I think we'll stop here. We have got more next class. You see. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद
Dhanyawadaha.
गुरुजी.
Guruji.